Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today I want to talk about the Moon Portal app for Apple Vision Pro. This app is an experience. Moon Player has a sister app called, or Moon Portal has a sister app called Moon Player that I featured previously on the channel, but this one is even more immersive than that app in the fact that it has this cool little roller coaster feature that I'll show you in a second, and also has AI generated immersive environments that I'll get to also. But I want to start with the roller coaster feature because it is crazy, and again, an experience. So it is a lot more immersive than another roller coaster app that I featured on the channel a couple of months ago. But this one, it even has the safety guidelines that you have to read over before it gets started, and it is fully immersive. It's not just one view. I mean, I can turn all the way around, or I can turn like behind me and see that it is fully rendered environment, and the colors just pop like it like this developer gets it right. So I'm just gonna shut up for a second and just watch this. Like this literally feels like I'm actually in a roller coaster. Now it kind of helps because I'm sitting in a chair that I can spin around in, but the environment is just completely rendered. It looks amazing. It generally feels like I'm there. It kind of feels like I'm falling for real a little bit. Um, and then this dragon scared me. Yeah, that was creepy. And I don't just point out how immersive this feels or how good it's rendered or how, the quality of the animations or anything. It's that it seems like the more time these developers have with the Apple Vision Pro or Vision OS, the better and better these apps get, the more intricate they get, the better use of technology they display. It's just phenomenal. Like, and even this part right here of the roller coaster experience was kind of reminiscent of Space Mountain, or Rock and Roller Coaster at Disney. But just truly amazing and an experience. And again, this is just one part of the Moon Portal app. Um, this cool roller coaster experience with the whole airplane flying right past you. Like what? And I'm doing this as a voiceover now, but just know that when I first uh, experienced this app, I definitely screamed quite a few times on this roller coaster, and that just goes to show how immersive it is. All right, so this is the roller coaster experience on the Moon Portal app. Um, it brings you back around and it tries to go one more time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the app before it sends me back on the roller coaster again. And then I want to take a look at the menu here. So, in addition to the roller coaster experience, there's also frames that you can put up around your environment or your physical environment, but in the Apple Vision Pro. You can choose from the frames that they have here, and you can even customize them, like the size of the frame, or you could place it anywhere that you want, that you choose to place it. You can even add little effects to the image that shows through the frame. Like in my case, I chose a light snow for it, and then you can go through and select the scene to go with. So I'm just scrolling down here, and I want to find something somewhat scenic, something that will somewhat go with the light snow that I chose. So I'll go with these mountains. Okay, and now all I gotta do is drag it in place. Since this is a skylight, slide it above, and isn't that cool? And the thing is, you can do more than one. So let's take this ISS capsule, and there's another random environment with that same light snow that I chose. But that's another thing about this Moon Portal app. It randomly generates or has AI generated environments, and that piano with the light snow was just one of the ones that was randomly generated. So let's click here. Oh, this is another cool one. Okay, so this is the skywalk. So fully immersive activity, if you will. This one is you're actually walking. You can do this, and it goes a little further than this, but I'm not gonna go all the way and show, or at least I can't because I didn't have enough space to do a full demonstration of it. But you can kind of walk all the way out to the edge of this pole and fall. Um, but I hit the sofa, so I'm gonna turn around and sit right back down in my chair. But again, as you can see, fully rendered immersive environment with Moon Portal, and this is so cool. Okay, the final thing that I wanted to talk about with the Moon Portal app is the AI generated environment. You can choose a portal of your choice. You see here, there's a police box, and then there's like this sci-fi looking portal. So first up, you choose your portal that you want to utilize, and then you can enter the portal by clicking dive in, or doing the tap to do dive in, or you can step out of the portal once you've entered it. So I'm going to go ahead and give an example now. Okay, and I'm going to click dive in, and this is that AI generated piano immersive environment. So I mean, I guess they're random. Everyone's not going to be a hit, but still really cool. I was trying to do a tap and pinch to see if I could do anything to the piano here, but I can't. So I'm gonna head back out to and again. You touch on step out. You can also do share play if you have another friend that has an Apple Vision Pro. You can share. I haven't quite figured out how to work that, but I'm gonna select this one that looks really cool. This is an immersive environment that's kind of like a cool 90s style basement, right? This is very Ready Player One ish, but again, it looks great. And this is how cool Moon Portal is. So I'm gonna be exploring this app a little bit more, getting to know it, spending a lot more time in this app because I find these AI generated environments to be amazing. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.